You give all those, you give a multitude of dates right there. You want to talk about answering the call. That is something else right there. Let's get the birthday list started with Adeline Knapp, who's celebrating her 4th birthday. What a gorgeous picture, Miss Adelie. Would love to know where that background was right there. And I want you to have a marvelous birthday as she celebrates in Joplin.
All right, and we've got Clara Ferguson
Yay,
turning 11 years old this year.
Who we got?
Softball star there in Moran, Kansas, 11 years old.
Playing for Main Street Styles right there. Love that. Love that. Could we, why is the glove Photoshop backwards?
I think it's just like an added addition to the picture after the fact. Figuring that one out.
Yeah, it caught me off guard and I was like, wait a second, I get this. Hey, happy birthday, Clara. Carly Kirkwood is celebrating her 14th anniversary, or 14th birthday. Look at this, a little Labette County pride right there, which is interesting because it says she's in Welch. But I know that shirt because it's got Grizzlies on it, and I can see the Labette County underneath it. 6'1", half dozen. Carly, a very happy 14th birthday to you, with love from Mama and Papa.
All right.
Excuse me, let me do that. Mima and Papa.
Yeah, get that right. All right, happy birthday, Carly, and happy birthday to Dixie Layson, who is celebrating birthday number 19 in Columbus.
No, we got to keep the sports team going there. That's going to be Barton County track.
Yeah.
Cool. That's awesome. Jamie Hernandez, now a 20-year-old. Miss Jamie, a very happy birthday to you, and what a beautiful picture she celebrates in Oswego.
I like their matching outfits. That's cute.
I like the bow. I like the bow and the matching shirts. I think it's great.
I like the little one's upside down smile.
Good call.
All right. Happy birthday, Jamie, and happy birthday to Ty Covey, who is
How's he 23?
obviously a Star Wars fan. I love it. Ty is in Uniontown.
We've been doing Ty's birthday since he was, since he was probably before he could drive.
Well, yes, because, I've been here 16 years and you just a few more.
That's a great picture, though. Happy birthday, Ty. Good to see you, man. Chad Pierce is celebrating his 36th birthday, and Chad, a happy birthday in Altoona. Looks like we had a little racing weekend right there.
Yeah. Boy, half of the people in the picture are looking at the front.
Yeah.
What's going on there? Happy birthday, Chad. And in Weir, Kansas, turning 77 today. It's time to celebrate for Don Watson. That's a wonderful picture there of Mr. Watson.
Shirley York's a good friend of our show. She turns 86 years old, and Shirley, not only a good friend of the show, but she's pretty much second family because she happens to be our graphic artist, Will, grandmother. And so, Miss Shirley, a very happy birthday to you. She celebrates in Pittsburgh. That's a cool picture right there, laid back on the car.
I like it.
Yeah.
Vivian Smith, Miss Vivian, celebrating her 90th birthday this year. I think her sash says Queen, and that is an excellent
great
description there. She is the sister of the late Senator Yvonne Starks Wilson of Kansas City, Missouri, I understand as well.
And I'll tell you what, just I'd say, and Miss Vivian, a happy birthday. You and your sister, you want to talk about spitting images of each other? My goodness, that is something else. But yes, that is a birthday get-up right there. Travis and Gina Shelton, they are celebrating their 7th anniversary. And at some point, you know what they were, Tanya? On a boat. Travis and Gina, a happy 7th to you, celebrating in Fort Scott. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to